In this video, I will show you how to get the phone number of your leads, professional phone number of your leads from only the LinkedIn URL. So first of all, you will need to install Derrick. So if you don't have Derrick yet, go to Google Workspace Marketplace, then select Derrick and go to Derrick and install it. Then go back to your Google Sheet. Go to Extension, LinkedIn, Email, Phone, Finder, and here, Derrick, open sidebar, and you will see this sidebar that will open. Then select the phone feature. You can use the search bar, for instance, and find phone from LinkedIn URL. Then this feature works with LinkedIn regular profile URL. So we have the LinkedIn regular URL, not size nav URL. And then go to the good column. So we have three columns: full name, company name, URL. We will select this URL, and then we can select to go from all URL in one time, or just preview 5. And it will calculate how much line will be processed, how much credit you will consume. So let's preview on first 5 lines, for instance. If we do this, it's sometimes better to see if we have good data. So let's do it. And as you can see, we have Charles Perret number, and other number will appear after. Okay, so it's quite easy. You just have to do this. If we found it, you will see found. If we not found it, you will see not found, and that's all. Okay, let's see. Finish the work. Okay, so that's all. If you have any question, feel free to ask, and I hope you will try this feature. Bye.